How to send email to multiple peoples or recipients individually on Gmail. So I will show you the perfect process. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here I'm on Gmail. So just go to the compose new email. Okay, so here you can see that there is 3 option in that contacts or to whom you want to send. First is to, okay, this is CC, and here the call BCC recipient. Okay, so here to, if you want to enter the email ID of that recipient email ID here, so it will be go individually for one person. But if you write 2 email ID here, then it will be go the email ID to both individually, but they can see each other email ID, okay, in C2. And also if you write the email in CC, okay, so here also they can see the both email ID, okay, each other email ID. So what you can do, we need to insert the email ID on BCC. Okay, so here when you write multiple email ID and send the emails, write the subjects and send the email. Now people can't see the each other email ID, they will receive the email as a individually. Okay, so you need to use this option BCC. Okay, and if you want, you can keep one email ID on 2. Okay, so this person also not see this BCC email IDs, and the BCC email IDs also not see the each other email ID. It will be go individually to everyone, but don't add more than one email ID in 2 section. Okay, now you can write the email ID, email body, and just send it. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.